So those of you that follow, probably saw the love story, me and my battery. Folks, I think she left us. She is gone. She's gone. She's gone. She's gone. Okay, what are we doing now? It's another day. I'm dressed in red. Now I got the front chalked because obviously jacking it from the rear. A little dangerous. So we'll go a little slow. Hopefully I don't run right through my garage door. I need a bigger garage, man. Either that or I need smaller cars. So how high am I going to want to go? I wish I could go that high. Don't bump the car! Can't see the hole. That should hold. I need to see more than you guys do. Not for this, at least. Alright, I'm going to preload the suspension a little bit because I'm not particularly fond of this. Alright, so it's a little wonky, but no. Son of a diggy. So, I'm going to have Olivia tell you what these are. Right there somewhere. I scored some of these 6 amp hour M18s for a really good price. 2 of them for just over $100. And they're not from Scamazon. So they're legit charged up. Now, something I heard, maybe one of you guys might know, as far as how do you store these batteries, apparently they like to be kept at like 3/4 charge, 13/16. Rack them and stack them. I do like the light. Where do you put it? Now I gotta do the other side. Okay, so I went over with the wire wheel as well as the grinding pad. Okay, and I pretty much ate this one alive. But this side is much better. We only have a couple of holes. Obviously this entire section I'm going to have to cut it out. Alright? But the rest looks pretty good. Now I may have to do something about This area right here, this corner, I cannot see what is going on in there, but I might just cut it out preventatively. I'm going to get a lot of this crap off. And also I just want to see generally what the... You gotta be careful, especially these wire wheels. Besides being very sharp, they tend to get off center and they start getting squirrely on you. Okay, so it's actually not that bad. That's surface rust up there. Might even seem like... I wish I had that dimethyloxylene or whatever it was called. This is unrelated, I just kind of wanted to see the shape of the chassis. Usually this is an area where Fords rust a lot. Water pools up and punches a hole, and next thing you know you lose your rear end. Okay, big hole over there. The metal is not that bad. We got it down pretty much to almost bare metal. I just wanted to see the condition of it. But this area here, we'll have to cut it and weld a new piece so we keep water out. Because there's no point in doing any of the floorboards if water's getting inside the cabin, which this is inside the cabin. Yes, which is in the bed, but there's a cubby hole for rancheros. Nah. Alright, battery's dying. So it's time for debriefing. What have we learned so far? Well, you want to cut out as much as you can and leave the healthy metal behind. So we learned pretty much how to test bad metal, how to test good metal. Like here you see this. Now it's pretty healthy, but you can see that there's still some pinholes. Alright? That's garbage. Another thing we learned. Very important thing. You want to put jack stands on the frame when you're doing body work. Right? But also you want to support the rear. You're going to get body flex. Now, this is critical when it comes to unibody cars. So you want to put as many jack stands as you can. Off camera, while I was doing some other work, the body actually kind of resettled. Now why? Because these body bushings, they're old, they give way, and with less structural support from the actual body itself, because a body is going to be much like a unibody. So it's going to hold some weight. But taking so much material, it's clearly going to have an effect. Okay? Now, there's still some prep work that needs to be done, but I am waiting on a couple of new tools to make it more interesting, and you'll see that in the next episode. So, if you like this, I would greatly appreciate it if you did subscribe. And if you do subscribe, make sure you click that little bell at the bottom there, because that's how you know that, hey, I put out a new video. Now, I am shooting for a new schedule. I used to post Saturdays only, but I'm going to try 3 episodes a week. So that's 3 times, 300% increase in troop power. Metal. So I'll be posting Tuesdays and Thursdays as well, barring any other problems. I'm not going to get into all, I got some medical issues, but I'm not giving up. I'm still going to push through with this decision, and hopefully you guys will like it. And if you know anybody that's into metal, that's into cars, whatever, hey, let them know. They might get a kick out of it, and it will help me. I'm not asking for money. I'm not. Times are tough. I get it. Another lesson we learned: in tight quarters, proper tools are crucial. Always want to make sure you remove the batteries. It's still for charge. But without the impact, I would need to use a breaker bar, possibly with the pipe as an extension. Problem with the breaker bar is, well, you need space, and this is tight, especially on that side where there's a brick wall. It's tough to get in there, not to mention if you are injured. No shame in admitting that you need a little help from a specialized unit. Okay? These are pricey, I admit. Batteries are even more, but keep an eye out. They come on sale and you can get a great deal. And it's an investment, as a saying, you buy once, you cry once. Now, they're not snap-on. We'll see how the warranty lasts. Hopefully they do last. But they did save me out for breaking my back, pushing, straining. You know, we're getting old. Even you young kids, you'll get old someday. So, I'm the heavy metal mechanic, and also the general of this battlefield. Now get back to work.